Hob was born in Egypt. At 3.5 years old, Hob immigrated to the United States of America with his parents. Upon returning to Egypt at 7 years old, the Israeli-Arab wars had just begun. Hob and his family escaped 3 months later back to the United States. He grew up here in Los Angeles, and it was during his high school years when he met his wife, Suzanne. Suzanne, where are you? In 1990, he graduated from Cal Poly Pomona with a Bachelor's of Science in Mechanical Engineering. In 2003, he co-founded Linkus Incorporated. 2 years later, he became part owner. Hob's story is remarkable, not because of what he did for himself, but because of what he did for someone else. A few years later, he hired a young lady by the name of Filia Vu Gutierrez, the company's first female engineer. Filia herself grew up in a very humble household. Her father was a taxi driver, her mother a homemaker. It was through a full-ride scholarship that Filia was able to earn her own engineering degree. Today, Filia is vice president of Hob's company, Linkus Incorporated. What a story. Inspired by her work ethic and tenacity, Hob created the first ever full-ride scholarship for engineering students, like Filia. Now in its 7th year, the Hob and Suzanne Issa Scholarship provides 5 years of support for first-time mechanical engineering students. It is my greatest honor to welcome Mr. Hob Issa for his speech. Thank you, Hob.
Thank you, Dr. Gossage, and Dr. Kessin-Dever and Dr. Paskey for your warm welcome. Dear graduates, class of... Okay, we have to throw that in. As a fellow engineering graduate and an immigrant from Egypt, I stand before you tonight with immense admiration and understanding of the journey you have taken. The skills you have learned and the countless hours you have dedicated to your studies have equipped you with the tools to embark into a career filled with new challenges and achievements. I found that engineering is not just a profession, it is a mindset, a way of thinking that empowers you to solve complex problems, innovate, and create solutions that can have a lasting impact. The knowledge you have gained in areas such as mathematics, physics, and technology is the foundation upon which you will build your future. But beyond the technical skills, it is the perseverance, the critical thinking, and the creativity that will truly set you apart. As you step into your professional world, remember that the challenges you face are only opportunities in disguise. Face them with confidence, knowing that you have the capability to overcome them. The hours you have spent in labs, classrooms, and libraries have prepared you for this moment. They have instilled a sense of discipline and a work ethic that will serve you well in every aspect of your life. As an immigrant from Egypt, I understand the unique challenges and opportunities that come with pursuing your dreams in a new country. The skills you have learned and dedication you have shown are not only a testament to your abilities, but also to your resilience and determination. Your journey has been marked by overcoming obstacles and adapting to new environments, and these experiences have shaped you into a stronger and more capable individual. I also have the utmost excitement and respect for women in a mostly dominated men's profession, and happy to see how things have changed over the last 30 years since I graduated, over 30 years that I graduated from Cal Poly. At many of the companies where I have worked in the past, I have been thrilled to see the number of women engineers growing exponentially. At the company where I was part owner, I am proud to report that over 43% of the employees in our company are women, and definitely add a unique perspective and value to the culture of our consulting firm. Now, a little bit about my background. After my graduation from Cal Poly Pomona, I accepted my first position at a company called EBASCO, which stood for Edison Bond and Share Company, where we design and built electric power plants. To demonstrate how engineering gives you flexibility in your career, I started off, as I mentioned, focusing on creating electric energy. However, as we evolved, my last position was to save energy. So going from creating electricity to saving electricity was our primary focus. When I officially retired in April of this year, I have been blessed to use the same knowledge you have from Cal Poly to reach the position of Executive Vice President at Linkus, which is a sustainability consulting company focused on utility energy efficiency programs. There, I was a founding partner in the company and spent 20 years of my career with a special focus on business development. Throughout your academic journey, you have undoubtedly faced moments of adversity. Whether it was a challenging course, a demanding project, or personal struggles, you have persevered and emerged stronger. Overcoming adversity is a testament to your resilience and determination. It is in these moments of hardship that you discover your true potential. Remember that every obstacle you encounter is an opportunity to grow and learn. Embrace challenges with a positive mindset, knowing that you have the strength to overcome them. Your ability to navigate through difficult times will be a valuable asset in your professional career and personal life. I don't have much more. In addition to your individual skills, the importance of teamwork cannot be overstated. Engineering projects require collaboration among diverse teams, and each bring their unique expertise and perspective. I know you have learned that the ability to work effectively with others, communicate ideas clearly, and contribute to common goals is essential for success. Teamwork fosters innovation as it allows for the exchange of ideas and pooling of knowledge. It teaches you to value different viewpoints and to leverage the strength of your colleagues. Remember, the most successful engineers are those who can work in harmony with teams, drive collective progress, and achieve remarkable outcomes. Ethics also plays a critical role in engineering. As engineers, you have the responsibility to ensure that your work benefits society and adheres to the highest standards of integrity. Ethical considerations should guide your decision from the design and development of a project to their implementation and impact. Upholding ethical principles means prioritizing safety, sustainability, and fairness. It involves being transparent, honest, and accountable in your actions. Remember that the true measure of your success is not just in the technical achievements, but in the positive contributions you make to the world. As engineers, the pursuit of knowledge does not end with graduation. Lifelong learning is essential to stay ahead in a rapidly evolving world. The skills you have acquired are the foundation, but continuous learning will keep you adaptable and innovative. Embrace opportunities for professional development, seek out new experiences, and stay curious. Whether it's through advanced degrees, certifications, workshops, or self-study, commit to expand your knowledge and skills. Lifelong learning will not only enhance your career, but also enrich your personal growth and fulfillment. As such, every one of my siblings has a master's degree, including myself with an MBA from the University of Louvain. As Theodore von Karman once said, scientists study the world as it is, engineers create the world that never has been. This quote encapsulates the essence of engineering, the transformative power it holds. You have the ability to shape the future and create a world that has never been imagined. The world is constantly evolving, and as engineers, you have the power to shape the future. Whether you choose to work in industries such as aerospace, automotive, software, or renewable energy, such as I did, your contributions will be invaluable. The skills you have learned will open doors to opportunities that you may have never even dreamt of. In closing, believe in yourself and your abilities. Take risks explore new horizons, and never stop learning. The path ahead may be challenging, but it's also filled with endless possibilities. Your dedication and hard work have brought you to this point, and they will continue to propel you forward. Congratulations on your achievements, and best of luck in your future endeavors. May you go forth and make a difference in the world. Thank you, and a special thanks to my wife, Suzanne, who has been with me throughout my journey. And who's graduating? What class is graduating this year?
2025!
That's it.